Welcome back to Fork It. Let's Cook with Leah, episode 33, Pumpkin Spice Bars. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease and line a 13 by 9 inch baking dish. In a large bowl, crack 4 eggs, half a cup of oil, half a cup of melted butter, and 2 cups of sugar. Then beat over medium speed until smooth. Next, you're going to add your pumpkin puree. Once that has been added, beat over medium speed until smooth. Remember to scrape the sides of your bowl and beat any particles that you got from the sides of the bowl. Set aside, and in another large bowl, you're going to combine 2 cups flour, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and a half a teaspoon ground ginger, and mix it up with a fork until it's combined. You're going to add your dry mixture all at once into your wet mixture and beat over medium-low speed until just combined. Scrape the sides of the bowl and make sure you got everything from the bottom, and gently stir again to make sure everything is well incorporated and the batter is smooth. Pour the batter into your prepared baking dish. Watch how I scrape the bowl and then learn with me. You ready? Watch and listen. Rainbow high because I'm making rainbows. Center slide because I'm going down the center. And then there's the bottom, glide like a smile, clean inside. Spread your batter in the pan, give it a few taps, make sure there are no air bubbles, and bake for 35 to 45 minutes or until a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. Cool on a wire rack until cool enough to frost. I've got an 8-ounce box of softened cream cheese along with a 1/3 cup of softened butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla. I'm beating that until it's nice and incorporated and mostly smooth. Then we're going to sift in 2 cups of powdered sugar and mix that until it's creamy and smooth. And OMG, you're going to be surprised at how smooth this frosting gets. Rainbow high, center slide, bottom glide, now your bowl's clean inside. What did I tell you? Look at that. Alright, transfer your pumpkin spice bars onto your working surface and begin frosting the bars with as little or as much frosting as you like. I don't really care for raisins and nuts in my stuff, but you can throw a few of those in it or on top. And I'm sprinkling a little cinnamon on top, and voila! Yummy, yummy for my tummy. Thanks for watching.